Hello, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we will be sorting bossy R words. At the top, you can see we have an AR control vowel. AR says R, like a pirate. ER says and OR says or. So you will need to pick 3 different colors, and we are going to match colors with the corresponding R-controlled vowel. Our first word is herd. H-er-d. Herd. E-R says Our next word is party. P-R-T-E. Party. A-R says R. Our next word is nerve. N-er-v. Nerve. E-R says Our next word is north. N-or-th. North. I know that O-R says or. Our next word is storm. S-t-or-m. Storm. That bossy R is saying or. Our next word is desert. D-e-s-ert. Desert. E-R says Our next word is march. M-R-ch. March. A-R says R. Our next word is cart. C-R-t. Cart. R-controlled vowel. A-R says R. Our next word is born. B-or-n. Born. I know that the R-controlled vowel O-R says or. K-or-d. Cord. Our next word is Bert. B-er-t. Bert. E-R says Our next word is mark. M-R-k. Mark. Our next word is serve. S-er-v. Serve. E-R says Our next word is hard. H-r-d. Hard. A-R says R. Just like a pirate. R. And our last word is short. Sh-or-t. Short. All right, my friends, now using a pencil, you will write the words in the proper boxes. We have AR that says R. ER that says and OR that says or. Flip your paper over when you're done. Way to go. All right, boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. You will see today that we are continuing working with our controlled vowels. We are focusing on ER. ER says So our first section says color the words. ER says Our first word is form. I can see an R controlled vowel right here, but it is saying or, not so we are not going to color it. Please find the R controlled vowel. Oh, there it is. And it is ER. So I'm going to color that word. The word is water. Next word over, please find the R controlled vowel. The word is letter. Letter has an ER controlled vowel, so I'm going to color it. Our next word, let's find the R controlled vowel first. This is the word fern. Fern, like a type of plant. And fern has the R controlled vowel. Next line down, we have flower. There's the R controlled vowel. Please underline it. And it is an ER saying so we're going to color that word. Next word over, please find the R controlled vowel and underline it. And as you can see, it has the ER that says This is the word over. Over. All right, next line over, word over. Underline the R controlled vowel. Oh, I see AR. I know that AR says R, but we are looking for Next word over is perk. Perk. I see that ER and hear the ER controlled vowel. Please underline in the next word the R controlled vowel. It is UR. Now UR will make the same sound as ER. It also makes the sound. Turn, but is not ER, so we're not going to color it. Next word over, we have under. There's the ER controlled vowel, so I'm going to highlight that word. Next word over, please find the R controlled vowel and underline it. That word is river. River. And our last word, here's the R controlled vowel. Remember, UR does make the same sound as ER. It says So this word is curb, but it is not ER, so we are not going to color it. Okay, my friends, now you'll do spin, read, and write. We have perk, flower, water, over, under, letter, river, and fern. So spin, read, and write those words. Please pause the video. And our last section is our word bank. We have let, water, wat, and earn. Okay, my friends, way to go today with our controlled vowels. Remember, AR says R, OR says OR, and ER, IR, and UR all say Put your name on your paper, turn it into the top basket, and move on to Lexia. Way to go.